This has been an advocacy of Tech One and also MiHCM and definitely also Microsoft to empower HR practitioners.
All these things are making exponential changes where the work has to be reinvented. Future-ready enterprise is here. It's an agile enterprise and you need to move into that team.
Is it worth traveling 4 hours every day to go to work? When was the last time we talked about talent development? And if someone joins a company, what is their career growth plan?
This is where your workforce is right now. And who are these millennials and who are these Gen Zs? They are digital native. They are tech savvy. What will happen in next 5 years?
For organizations to have a backup plan in place to ensure that all their business assets are protected.
I think it's very important that we need to design separate learning journey.
The divide wasn't really coming from a perspective of age, but it was coming from a perspective of audience.
I'm just sharing with you my personal experience of using technology from a very HR perspective.
It could definitely help the company, especially in optimizing the processes. It could make us more productive at work.
Making everything digital will make our processes more efficient.
And engaging employees, making them feel that they are included in the plans of management.
It will ease out all the manual things that HR has been doing for previous years.
And it will allow people to focus more on the strategic aspects of the business.
It is really a need for us to shift into the digitalized system or management.
They were able to give us like the basics of what can be expected if we take advantage of their services, for example.
And maybe tap a partner so that we can learn more about HR from those who have experienced digital transformation.
As mentioned also in the session earlier, there's this surge of Gen Zs and millennials coming in the workforce.
There's just no other way except to go digital. HR's role is now evolving into something that's less administrative and more strategic.
Digital transformation will more likely humanize HR.
Those clerical works that we've been doing for quite some time can now be more on a digital way of doing it.
Perhaps I could do more research about it, but definitely helped me and enlightened me.
There's a lot of work to be done in our organization.
We can now convince our management to further go towards digital transformation.
The future of HR.
The future of HR.
The future of HR.
Future of HR.
The future of HR.
The future of HR is digital.